stores. Oh, there's so many signs everywhere. This is a huge station. I've got a piece of trash in my hand because there's no trash bin. I'm lost. Different guards are pointing me in different directions. One's to the bus, one's to the Toyota line, one's downstairs. So I couldn't find the subway line. I couldn't find the bus. We're now walking. We're walking to the Tokyo Metropolitan. I'll put the captions down below. Walking with my trash. I made a brief stop, which sometimes happens along the way when I'm going to a place and I really should be focused on like getting there. I saw at Starbucks they had this advertisement that said peach pink fruits Frappucinno. See the pink fruit right there? So I realized that the peach might actually be kind of like a seasonal thing for Japan. Now this costs around 669 yen. Which is actually kind of pricey. It's roughly around $6 US. But when am I ever gonna experience this in the United States, right? It's, my straw's at the bottom, so I'm sucking up the fruit. It's peach. It's kind of got like a peach puree at the bottom. Wow. It's got a strong peach flavor, a mixture between peach and strawberry, but mostly peach. It's sweet. You're literally eating your drink. I'm gonna enjoy this while watching the view, and then I'm gonna hit the train. Done. Job complete. Shinjuku station is actually a really large station. All of these places right here exist either in or nearby the station. I've got a piece of trash in my hand because there's no trash bin. I'm lost. Different guards are pointing me in different directions. One's to the bus, one's to the Toyota line, one's downstairs. Okay, so this is a vending machine restaurant and there are a lot of really good options. There are a lot of really good options here of udon. And the price seems around right, around maybe around $4 per bowl. Oh, I do like my prawn tempura. It says CHRYSANTHEMUM tempura, fried using a coating liquid for cooking. Today's special for around $5 is the mini rice and soba udon. Okay, let me, I think I want the garland udon. Even though I'm tempted to get seafood, I've not had the garland udon. That kind of looks interesting. Let's try that. So I've got my Pasmo card ready. So here we go. The garland udon is number 18. This is number 18, so I'm gonna look for number 18 here. Basically, you kind of look over here to see what numbers it is. This is the one that I want. Now, if you don't want to worry about like counting yen and fidgeting with that at the machine, then this one takes a Pasmo card and you can easily tap it. I just realized I need to get rid of some cash because I withdrew quite a lot of money. So I'm not gonna cheat and use my Pasmo. I'm gonna try and use my cash. For 18, that's gonna be my chrysanthemum garland tempura. That's a lot of name for a vegetable tempura. 100, 200. Oh, you can see it right there. 300. 400. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit ticket. And I think I just sit down. So he asked if I wanted this one or this one. This one or this one? Okay. So I'm waiting right now at the window for my soba.
This is your order. This is breakfast, so please careful. Okay, take it, please.
Thank you. Basically, I picked the very back table right here. Here we go. Oh my god, this is so awesome. I was walking around thinking I want to eat at a vending machine restaurant. I want to eat at a vending machine Smell the deep fried tempura with a little bit of the soy sauce scent. It's a beautiful aroma. Look at that. Look at those noodles. Oh my. I think I need like smell and taste vision for these videos. Take one of my chopsticks in there. I think this is pepper. I'm assuming it's a universal alphabet right there. Soy sauce. And a little bonito flakes. Like chili pepper bonito flakes. Oh, look at those noodles. Look at those soba noodles. These are thin soba noodles. Oh, look at that. It's already mushy and soft. It looks so good. The tempura is fresh. I don't care if it's soft and mushy right now. It's fresh. Let me try one more time. Look at that. That's just a lump of tempura. Nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if I can taste the chrysanthemum, but I don't care. That tempura is like so good. It's like heaven in my mouth. Got little onions here. Look at that. It's so sweet. You can taste the soy flavor on this. The tempura is cooked just right. Soba buckwheat noodles. Try the dashi. Look at that. It's nice brown with the little golden outer edges. This is smooth. It tastes a little like tangy. I don't feel like it's like a beef flavor or a beef broth. I think it's just like soy sauce and something kind of a little bit sour in it. But it might be nice because I've got buckwheat noodles, which tend to like absorb flavor sometimes. I want to say that the tempura has a slightly buttery taste against the sour tinge of the soy sauce for the broth, the dashi. It kind of has this nice, I don't know, subtle taste. I feel like Japanese food is like all about subtlety. Like nothing really kicks you. So smooth. I think I'm gonna try a drove flavor. This chili powder just kicked it up a notch. But I kind of still like it plain. Now, in Japanese culture, slurping is actually very acceptable. It kind of means that things are delicious. It's actually a compliment. Oh man, this is a treat. I need to practice my slurping skills. I know in Western culture, slurping is kind of looked down upon a little. Because you should be quiet when you're eating your food like that. Not here. You can hear everyone slurping. Now the soup, it's the same soup that a lot of the dishes have. He actually like turned it on from a tap, a water tap. Well, probably like a soup tap. But so a lot of these dishes share that same soup. I feel like a lot of my slurping noises are more like kissing noises. I have to work on my slurp a lot more. Done. So from Shinjuku Station, we're gonna go to Gotokuji Temple. And you know what? It's such a big station. I would recommend anyone to just go to the guard or the information desk and just ask them like to point you in the direction and keep doing that. Oh, that's mine. you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more of my solo travel adventures as I take you inside and knock off my bucket lists of travel. Leave your comment down below and let me know what you think of my video. Above all, may the grrr be with you.